inside. Same old time, same reservation. Through the blue, I search for you, just to feel it. No explanation. Getting so close yet so far, like we're dancing different hours. Something tells me that you're real, though we never shared these moments. Ships in the deep blue, oh, moving in patterns we can't control. La la la. Ships in the deep blue, yeah, always arriving when you're gone. Left behind your empty glass, still warm from conversations ending. Someone said you asked for me, but I was already leaving. Time keeps pulling us apart, like the tide that never settles. Every night I stay too late, hoping somehow that you'll find me. Ships in the deep blue, moving in patterns we can't control. La la la. Ships in the deep blue, yeah, always arriving when you're gone. Time alive, maybe tomorrow night, will the stars combine to bring us both inside? Just the right moment when time stops moving. Under the stars to bring us both inside. Just the right moment. All these nights passing by, like waves against the shore. Something keeps bringing me back, something I can't. Shifts in the deep blue, moving in patterns we can't control. Shifts in the deep blue, yeah, always arriving when you're gone. When love shows a line.
Midnight again, just me and the glass in this empty room with leftover class. Each table tells me what I need to know about the lives that come and go. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell their tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. Lipstick marks, business cards, half-written notes on napkin scarred. I collect these seeds in a quiet way, while others sleep I slip away. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell their tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. If they see me here, moving through their world, year after year, my reflection bent in crystal and chrome, making peace with being alone. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell the tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. In this quiet space, just you and me. Can't explain it, but feel you close to me. When the night falls soft and the world slows down, take my hand now, let go of sound. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Just